Today we will discussing the universal law of gravitation. First of all, introduced by Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, when we will take any object in the universe freely falling to the earth's surface. For example, here I am taking the some mass is there. Here I am taking the bar mass. M1 small mass is there. I'll leave it. When the ball will be falls to the earth's surface, why there some gravitational force is there. Here is the small mass is there. When the object will be falls to the earth's surface, here is the capital mass. There are some gravitational force is there. The gravitational force is always downward direction. Attractive force is there. Both are in the attractive force. Okay. Here we are taking the two masses are there. Two masses are there. Okay. The product of the two masses. Here is the distance. The center point to center point. You will taking the two masses. The two masses in the center mass. Distance is capital D. Okay. The product of the two masses is directly proportional to applied force. Here is the gravitational force. Applied means some gravitational force is there. And inversely proportional to square root of the distance. Here the distance between center to center, two masses, is inversely proportional to gravitational force. Write down the total one. F is proportional to small m capital M by d square. Removing the proportional is equals to capital G small m capital M by d square. Here is the G is the universal gravitational constant. G is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Here is the capital mass is the earth mass is there. You are taking any objects in the universe is the some mass is there. Here the mass will be falls to the earth's surface. There is some gravitation is there. Gravitational force. Okay. Here is the capital G is the universal gravitational constant. Okay. To it. Okay. See the example one. What is here is the satellite is there. Satellites will be moving on the earth's surface. You will find out the time period. Here is the earth is there. Earth mass is capital M. Okay, satellite is on the surface of the earth is there. Here is the mass is small m and velocity is v. You will find out the time period. Here is the some mass is there. Earth mass is there, and also rocket will be moving in this direction. We will find out the time period. Here is the circular velocity, circular motion is there, uniform circular motion. You will find out the velocity of the satellite. Okay. What is the velocity? Here is the velocity v is equals to displacement by time. Displacement means x is there and time. Here is the displacement. Displacement means the total. Total circle or total you will take the any surface. Here is the 0 to pi. Off part is there, upward. Here is the downward. Total circle is the 2 pi. Here is the 0 to pi and downward pi to 2 pi. Total circle is the 2 pi into here is the radius. The radius of the earth is capital R. Total displacement is the 2 pi R. 2 pi is the total circle. Total revolution is the 2 pi and radius of the earth is capital R by here is the time taken is t. V is equals to 2 pi R by t. Okay. Here is the satellite will be some force is there, centrifugal force and also gravitational force. Centrifugal force is the Fc is equals to mv square by R. Centrifugal force. That's why taking the satellite will be revolving under the earth is there, and also gravitational force. Gravitational force always downward direction, downward to the earth surface. F is equals to capital G, capital M, small m by here is the distance. The distance between satellite to earth is only R is there. Near to the earth surface. Here we are taking the R is equals to D. Near the earth surface is there. Total distance here is only R. That's why taking the R square. Total forces are equal. Centrifugal force and gravitational force. Fc is equals to Fg. Fc how much? Here is the mv square by R. And gravitational force capital G, capital M, small m by R square. Substitute the v value. Here is the velocity of the satellite. In the substitute there. m. Here is the v is the 2 pi r by t. Is equals to capital G, capital M by small m by r square. R get cancelling. Even small m, here is the 2 square pi 4 pi square r square by t square is equals to capital G, capital M, small m by r. Okay, small m 4 pi square r square t square equals to capital G, capital M, small m by r is there. Here is the 4m pi square r square by t square is equals to capital G, capital M, small m by r. Here okay, you will find out the time period. Okay, r ఇది తీసుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ ఇది తీసుకోండి. 4m pi square, here is the r address r cube r cube by remaining 3 components ఇది తీసుకోండి. For example, mm get cancelling. Okay, here is the downward is denominator is this question capital G, capital M is equals to t square. You will find out the t. It was same the whole power root was or 1 by. Okay, 4 pi square r cube by capital G, capital M whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The square ఉంచుకుంటే same as same t square ఉంచుకుంటే here is the t square is directly proportional. This one as a 4 is the constant, pi is the constant, g also constant, and earth mass also same value, that cannot be changed. T square is directly proportional to only r cube. R will be changes. R will be changes. That's why taking the t square is directly proportional to r cube. This is the Kepler's formula. The square root of the time period is directly proportional to cube of the semi major axis. Here also same similar. The semi major axis is there. Semi major means this part, x axis. Okay, this is the Kepler's formula. Here is the time period of satellite. Okay.